Here at Mahoods Collision and Hot Rods, we're approved by AAA and all other insurance companies. We're also one of the only collision body and paint centers in all of Orange County and parts of LA that handle specialty auto insurance claims for collector street rods, hot rods, antique and muscle cars. Mark has dealt with the best insurance companies like AAA, Grundy, Haggerty, Heacock Classic, American Collectors, and many others. So, if you need your classic vehicle repaired due to a collision or just need help in restoring your vehicle back to its perfect condition, then Mahoods Collision and Hot Rods is the place to come. Mark handles all your insurance adjuster's needs to make this less stressful for you. Mahoods has been in the body, paint, and collision business for over 36 years. We have painted some of the best cars in the United States. Our shop is located in the city of Anaheim at 1270 North Lance Lane, Anaheim, California, 92806. Call us. We can help. 657-230-9099.